Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to present in Google Meet. So I will show you how to present if you're going to be the host of the meeting and if you're going to be joining in the meeting. So if you're the host, you'll be clicking new meeting, then either clicking get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, or schedule it in Google Calendar. So click whichever one you want for that. I'm going to click get a meeting link to share. I will copy that. Now, most likely you'll be joining with a link if you're going to be joining in, so you'll need to copy and then paste that link in here, whether you're the host of the meeting or not. Then click join. So if you're going to be want to start the meeting presenting, then you'll want to click here on the right hand side, present. Then you will see here it's going to give you 3 different options of sharing your screen. You'll either click Chrome tab, your entire screen, or application window. For each of these you'll need to click on whichever one you want. For here you want to make sure you do click on that, otherwise it won't just click share straight away. So you will click and then you'll have the ability to share. So I will share my Chrome tab right here for this example. Then once you've done that, you can mute the audio if you want to, presentation audio, turn that off or on. Then once you're done presenting, you can click the stop presenting button like that, then it will go back to regular. So now if you're going to be joining a meeting, I will show you how to do this here. I'm just going to act as if I'm joining halfway through a meeting for this. So for instance, if you're in a call with this little webcam on, then you want to change to presenting. As you can see here, I could have my webcam on, but right now I don't have anything on. Now you want to click at the bottom right hand corner where it says present now. Click on that, then you can do your entire screen, which is pretty self-explanatory. A window, which will mean just what you're seeing on here. And then a Chrome tab will be let's see, like your top of your window here. So your window will be like, let's say if I had other tabs open, like a YouTube tab, etc. They'll be able to see that. But with the entire screen, you will see all of the Audacity down here, etc. for that. And then your entire screen, they'll see absolutely everything. So depending on what you want for that, I'm going to click my entire screen for this example. Then I need to click on that, then click share like I did before. So that's how you do it both ways. Once you're done, you can click stop presenting in the middle there if you do want to. So leave a like if this did help you out. Click on screen if you want to see how to do the phone version of this. But subscribe for more if it did help you out and you want to see more videos. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.